which platform should I advertise on? Google Ads or Bing Ads, also known as Microsoft Ads? Now, this is a question I get asked from time to time. I must admit, I don't get asked very often, but it is a question that keeps cropping up from time to time. So in view of that, I thought what I'll do is I'll create a video so I can refer people to it and answer their questions at the same time. Before I do continue, a bit about myself. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads expert, and hold fire, that does not mean to say I am biased towards Google. I'm going to give you a very balanced view on this video about whether you should advertise on Google Ads or Bing Ads. And in my agency, we do both. We advertise on Google Ads as well as Bing Ads. So in order to substantiate my opinion, I'm going to give you some facts, and then you can start making your own decisions as to which platform you should be advertising on, as well as hearing my opinion, which I'll give you right at the end of the video. So make sure you do watch this video. It might just surprise you. For starters, the amount of people using Google Ads is in the region of about 80 billion searches per day. And that compares to around about 1 million searches on Bing per day. So there's a huge difference in terms of how many users you've got on Google Ads compared to how many users you've got that are using Bing Ads. Other than that, you got your cost per click, your CPC, your average cost per click. On Google Ads, you're paying in the region of £1 to £2 per click, whereas on Bing Ads, you're averaging between around about £1.50 per click, so CPC. So the CPCs are generally lower on Bing Ads or Microsoft Ads or whatever you want to call them, right? The other factor, a really important one, is the actual audience itself. Now, the audience on Google Ads is the young to the older generation, whereas on Bing, it's more the older generation that tend to use it. Okay, so like for example, when my dad uses a search engine, more than likely he's using Bing, because it's just the operating system or the search engine that comes with a computer that is supplied on the Windows operating system. So when you fire off Internet Explorer, then the default search engine you're getting there is going to be Bing. Okay, so the other fact to take into account is the income levels. Now on Google Ads, you're targeting all the income levels. So from people who don't earn a lot of money to people who earn a lot of money. And don't forget, in certain countries, the option for targeting by income is not enabled. So depending on which country you're in, you're able to target by income. Whereas on people who use Bing, seem to be the higher income type of people who are generating a lot more income than compared to the users who use Google Ads. A huge advantage about Bing Ads is that you can target LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so you can target whatever you can target in LinkedIn. You've got a smaller set of that which you can use in Bing Ads, so you can target things like job titles, industry sectors, and so on. Okay, whereas Google, you can't really do that. Social profiles on Bing Ads, you can also target social profiles. Again, you can't really do that on Google Ads. The cost per lead, or the cost per sale, I find is generally about the same, and compared from Google compared to Bing, and that's because I just find that the quality of data that Google supply is a lot more relevant compared to the quality of the results or the search results that Bing supplies. So people generally tend to click a lot more in order to find what they want. So it averages out to around about the same. Now, when we conduct campaigns for people who are using Google Ads and Bing Ads, what we generally find is that we need to allocate in the region of around about 15% of the spend that we're using on Google towards Bing. So if we're spending £1,000 a month on Google Ads, it generally means that we need to spend in the region of about £150 per month on Bing ads. It does vary a little bit, but as a general guide, that's what we generally go for. Sorry, I'm not talking about 150, that's 10%. Yeah, I'm talking around about 225 to 250 pounds is what we target as a maximum. So 25% would be the absolute maximum that we would need to allocate towards Bing, simply because it only has a fraction of the number of people searching using the Bing ads. So would we use Bing ads or Google ads? Now my answer is, the only time I think that we need to, or you need to use Bing ads is when it complements or supplements your Google ads. I don't think it should ever be used to replace Google ads, because again, Google ads has got a huge user base, got 80 billion people searching for it. So Bing ads would never be a replacement for Google ads. It should be used as a supplement to Google ads. When should it be used? It should either be used if you want to scale your campaign. So for example, if you're using a Google ads campaign and you've maximized everything you can do, you can't do any more, but you want to grab some more audience or more users, that's a great time to be switching over to Bing ads as well, in addition to your Google ads. And don't forget, one of the key things you can do, you can synchronize your Google ads campaign to your Bing ads campaign. It's not as simple as that, because there's a lot of optimization issues that we need to do when we do this. But generally, you can import the data from Google ads into Bing ads, which helps you to get up and running a lot more faster. Also, the time to use Bing ads is, again, if you're using an older generation. So the older generation, what I find is that they're the type of people that they don't necessarily want to research 20,000 websites before they make their decision. They make their decision fairly quickly, because they go onto a website, if they see what they like, they generally inquire or they generally buy. Okay, so taking that into account, if you're using an older generation, then I would certainly consider also using Bing in addition to Google ads. So I hope this video helps you. If you do have any questions or about even your experience about Bing, do let me know. You know, a lot of people are talking about AI. They're saying that, hey, recently Bing ads or Microsoft have acquired ChatGPT, and so they're using AI now. Wow, how fantastic is that, right? Well, guess what? Google ads has been using AI for the past several years now. So in terms of tech, it's way advanced. It's been using AI, machine learning. So it's already built into the platform. So I would not use that as a way of saying we're going to use Microsoft ads simply because it uses AI. So does Google, and it's been doing it for a lot longer than Bing ads. It just happened to be that our friend Bill Gates had the big enough wallet to be able to acquire the OpenAI technology. Now, if you do want to learn more about how you can win more customers using Google ads, what I suggest is you take advantage of this free book, which can be shipped to you. The only thing you need to do is to cover the cost of the postage and packaging. There'll be a link somewhere below this video. Take advantage of it, because we've taken on the cost of creating the book. All you need to do is to simply handle the shipping cost of the book, and it will talk about Bing ads as well as Google ads. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion about Google ads versus Bing ads, and I do reply to every single comment that is posted. So please, I do encourage you to put your comments below and subscribe to this channel if you like what I'm saying. Hey, why not help me out a little bit, right? Spread the word, spread the love, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Goodbye for now.